What you wanna get? Bon boy or bon real?
I don't know if it's good.
Look at this boy. You're Jonah or you're
No.
Johnny?
No, my name's Bob.
Huh?
My name's Bob.
Oh, your name Bob. Can mean your dairy car. Jonah, what's your name? Johnny.
My name's Steve.
Your name's Steve. I thought your name Bob.
The bike truck.
ថែបកាដែលយកវឺទិញគឺថែមើលថែ Oh this is
Hai con vô em. Hôn chưa ngọc này con vô em. Mà sao bà nạt bạn tao quăng ra mày mày đòi hỏi hết. Vì mang một hát không phải là mang tao mấy.
I'm just checking out this info on this website called wordsmart.com. Apparently, they asked 100 linguists to declare the most beautiful words in the English language. Here are some of their answers. Number 1, tremulous. Number 2, murmuring. And finally, number 3, radiance. That is beautiful. That is a beautiful word. I like that. I also like the word grace. That's a beautiful word. And God's grace, of course, is love. They also asked the linguist...
Bọn Hà Nam riêng ai So beautiful.
Hard work pays off, good beats evil, and tough times make tough people.
Country music there. Hey, yeah, they're fine job.
Continue to write them. Mày ơi, lại không mày là mày. Cái mệt của trai của ai riêng tàu Canada quá.
Pliên bư khúc pliên bư khúc hát phát thịa hát phát mất đi nữa mà xe ta sốc sạc bư sốc bư hát phát hot khúc sai đi mà bạn làm thôi bạn làm thôi ok bố hên đi ác cái này ya lại chỉ ngọt chứ ya đưa là cứ là hốt chỉ ngọt cứ đi nữa ok đi mấy tân đi bữa chỉ 5 năm làm hôm tầm mặt vậy là thế are you sure 25 years no see 25 years yeah 25 years no see each other long time no see món canh hay con bằng ở đi anh mẹ là được rồi món canh chua ná chua khăn bằng là bài pin được vậy đi ngay ngăn thì là bài pin ok
Còn chưa đấy giúp canh tiêu như chưa canh không nhiều
that is live
jual con như mây đó, con như mây như mây jual nào nói hả, con này tiền hả, cho nên cho nên, good boy, I wanna send you product, come on, let them jump.
Dalam mikro.
No police. No police. You know, Carl. It's so weird, right? Pronounce language, right? No, like Henry, now my mom, like in English, like no police, like men brother police.
Oh, phải luôn. Tranh lại cứ kêu công an.
Hả?
Tranh lại cứ kêu công an.
Con trai chứ?
Hả?
Mình kêu mẹ bẩn.
Cái can đọc rồi.
Yeah, babe, what's up?
Wow.
Yeah, one second.
Giặt mỗi ngày mỗi lần.
Hôm nay giờ mà cha mày mấy? Hôm nay giờ thân riêng mày á? Giờ mình riêng nào mày? Mới cha? Giờ? Really? Giờ?
The new one?
Dù anh còn mày một cái xà rồi mà.
Xà để đây, con xà để đây.
Chưa bảo.
Xà ốc.
Wow. Cái tía, cầu ngâm đó. Quan trọng, thành đời này có bỏ. Right now, almost close. Still 15 minutes. Really, just aim for numbers. We almost get there.
Canadian man bring me to Niagara waterfall. We get here around 1 o'clock. Here is my boy, John. very fun. He get here, he very happy to see the Niagara waterfall. Here, my boy and my niece, we together to come here to see Niagara Falls. Here is the place they playground. Here, yeah, many beautiful place to visit in here. A lot of dinosaur picture around here. Yeah, dinosaur picture. That is dinosaur garden over there. Yeah, dinosaur garden. Yeah. Niagara Falls in Canada side now.
Wait, how much the ride cost on average?
Okay. Chị Ung Bờ Làng Niagara Falls. Đi qua tàu Niagara Falls. Đi hem cho the sky mama sky view ya. Đi cho sky view ta nằm ra sai. Đi ra hàng đường. Chị crew hen. Crew from Canada. Yeah, American and Canadian here. Yeah, American and Canadian. This is lang cang. This is cang còn you him the him. Yeah, Việt Nam là Vincent, Canada. Yeah. And here is myself. Oh, here you can see Niagara Falls from the high. Niagara Falls from the high. Look very good view. Oh, look at the other side. Oh, other side. Here we go. Oh, other side, very good. Yeah, here we go. Look at other side over there. Right there. Uh-oh. You fall down. Let's go. Here, Niagara Falls. Very good view from here. So scary. Oh, Niagara Falls. Very good view from here. Over there. Oh, over there. Now we go down to the ground. Oh, bye bye, Niagara Falls.
It's gonna be 2 more rounds.
There we go. Again. Whoa. Ooh, so beautiful. So pretty.
Give me photo. No.
Ooh, oh, other side, very good. Look like that, other side. Ooh. Yes. Niagara Falls, very beautiful. This is from the Canada side.
New York,
Yeah, on other side in New York, America. Yeah, other side in New York, America, and this side in Canada. What city is here? Toronto.
Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls, yeah.
I don't touch it like
Look at the dinosaurs. Oh my god.
Dinosaur garden. Oh, the dinosaur garden, yeah. Ooh, dinosaur garden. Ooh, see again from here. Niagara Falls.
nice music too.
We see New York, America, other side, and on my side, Canada.
Yeah, Canada. Just say Canada. You know, they set review.
Người ta mà, ăn ngoài mà.
Bên ngoài.
Oh, they ride a boat, very beautiful.
Scandinavia.
Now it's cold, right?
Yeah, now it's really cold. I've been there before. It's really, really good. Yeah. I've been on boat.
Just a little bit.
I like it. I like the boat. I like it. But during the nighttime it's so pretty because they have the light. Yeah, they install the light, like, you know, you can see it.
Nighttime, right?
The nighttime, yeah, it's really pretty.
Now the flow, everything flow is just like grooming now.
Like a pocket. We have so fun here. Vừa mà lại bị điên không vừa mà. Này thì anh dùng mà. Cũng giờ được phải. Con bây giờ mày mà phải hả? Where you at? You stuck? You have fun?
Chỗ quay ta đi hành đấy. Đi thả đi dụng đi dạ phần dạch lời là chỗ mẹ hết. Lời ra đâu mà bắt gan lời đang mà kìa. Xích ra tô rồi mỗi tử. Lời ra đâu mà bắt gan lời đang mà kìa. Xích ra tô rồi mỗi tử.
I look cold.
They sell sweater too. You can trade company. No, good young Thai. They could do from Shein. From Shein too.
Thêm ta trung tâm thành phố Niagara Falls phải mà Canada hiện đi trung tâm thành phố còn đi trung tâm thành phố còn đi trung tâm thành phố phải Niagara Falls Canada hình thành Queen Land đi về là vô
New York này.
New York, New York, New York. Yeah, New York, New York. New York.
New York.
Across New
You're
York.
across New York right now.
We cross New York right now.
Yeah, we're gonna go down to the fall. We're gonna go watch the fall.
Vừa mẹ nào. Hai trưa hồn vừa, rồi anh để mẹ nó. Vừa hai trưa hồn. Mà cái hồn phản. So fun. So happy. Where we go? We go New York.
ta kalau ke teak Niagara Falls sih dan kan ting ri tepal surah ke teak Niagara Falls di sini tak yang sara di Niagara Falls phải tak con rồi xứng rồi
Là cơ tại tông.
Chieng Niagara Falls phải mà Canada sai Tapi betul, tapi ini kan. Jadi video tapi là các tập đến tận không ra cả. Tập đi một cái tập nhà đường hành đi. Hành tập đi. Niagara Falls butuh về. Yeah. There is people over there. Hari satu hari dah. Hari 4 Mei hari. Aku 4 Mei ha. Hari aku 4 Mei. Saya sim bar akan saya sim. Nè phu 4 Mei hari. Nè phu 4 Mei. Niagara Falls 4 Mei ano je hey, okay. Okay. Di Bunjang pun ada ni. Aku sabtu Bunjang pun ada. Tempat kuat dari ini. Tempat kuat. Ya. Tempat kuat. Kedai saya taruh ke Niagara Falls kedai. Nak amai saya mamat man. Di Canada. An top pang pergi ke top mana? An top pergi. Di tahu pun kat pada ni. Kalau injal di tahu sikat tu kan dia
So Canada.
The side over there.
The other side is United States.
Yeah, that's
And then the right side is Canada. Everyone here have iPhone? That's crazy. I have iPhone. What is crazy? I don't know. No, that's not money. Thanks, man, for the sound. Okay, hello. Hand boy, I hand. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Về nhà đó có phía này. Ở du hay mày chỗ nằm một thầu có từng rằm năm mà thầu. Giờ tóc lên thôi à. What can you ask?
I regret myself. Yeah, my family over here. We in Nigeria fall now. Yeah, Nigeria fall in Canada side. Yeah. Xin tak bukan Canada win lah kena dia. Ini bahan win top dah kali. Bahan dah saya. Ini bahan win top dah. Bahan win top dah kali. Terakhir dulu kali. Wow, so beautiful. Mi anh chị như là mi cái New York rất là đẹp tại New York sempat ada fly cam pada ini mẹ tên hay như
The back, there was some earlier. There's no one. Chana very enjoy. Jonah, it's good over there, boy. Come on. Yes, that's good. Come on, boy. Put up and put in, huh? There are a lot of people.
Can you take picture in here? Light up to it. Light up. They're very light. Okay, like chicken. Stop the bag. Đi trước ngay dưới kho ít bánh cho công sự là công sự cho bánh cho công sự với nhà lời được hàng thì
ok mình trong cái họ sẽ phải bắt nhân theo rồi sợi nhìn vào về theo mà
She wants to take a video first.
yeah I just yeah it's okay can you look at mom this is a good view boy Johnny Jonah this is a very good view yeah this is a good view very nice no I know to take picture come on
quá hát bình tại con đi cho sim rồi đấy sao vậy đi xa lắm là buồn đi xa lắm
Tira không lại được không có thể học mày không tira đấy hai vùng video YouTube nó không tira qua thằng này có phò cho nên cho mà thì nhiều và ta đây
Can you
I don't like this angle, but that's okay. What do you want to say? Hello.
a waterfall on the Canada side?
Yes,
So beautiful in here.
it is beautiful. How do you guys like the weather so far? Yeah, it's really cool, right? Yeah. Look at the fall behind you.
Halfway time can go back to the farm, Canada. Okay, thank you.
Whose jacket is longer, yours or dad's?
I don't know. Mine's a coat. It's not a jacket.
you have a long jacket I don't
Yeah, I
have
got a
one
fancy.
qua hình dạng
Okay.
nằm tay chuông
hiện lại tiệc đang tộc tàu vừa ra xí à tàu tộc dia kan jual tàu yuk weh jual tàu thì ya tộc dia thì ya ngon thì ya
dia apa
thằng nhá view này ta Niagara Waterfall Park à về như chơi buộc phải phải hiện tại quanh đây look so beautiful over there love people trên thành phố làng Niagara Falls tại Canada flag
hả mệt mà nó đi mà cái này cũng phải nè một tiếng hẳn phải nè là mày đi sorry I didn't know you recording I recording wah phải nè upload phải nè đấy lỗi không nhớ nha một cái băng cạ của nó là ngó khánh cạ này chẳng ai là áp quá chè làm cạ hay là quá là áp quá không khánh cạ cái chú hay là áp quá còn phải ăn sẵn không khánh cạ thu mặt cạ air cho lại dự ổ đơn cô hay ổ đơn này ai FaceTime con này nữa mà trong video ấy hả FaceTime con ai à tân đấy later hey I don't know too Jenna can you turn around Niagara Falls. Okay, boy, this is Niagara Falls. It's really out here, một cái chú, out here mà.
là gì
Out here. Yeah, it's out here, out now, and we just take the bus. I don't think so. You don't think so?
no I take my side yeah cái cụ về Niagara Falls phải tộc tàu vừa đã vậy dari mấy đi dari đi ở đây thì hành tăng tộc em tộc em ngăn ai tộc em phải làng mơ Pilih grill tanpa ada. Mana ada pilih ada. Ya, mana ada pilih. Tanpa ada. Cô chưa định bác pilih deh. Pakai apa? Ra gặp tập ra thành tàu bạn tập ít quá từ Hà Nội giờ bạn tập ít quá làm tăng tộc đi xí hẹn làm tăng pir tập eng quá xí hả
boleh ku pun Bunong mu dia urahan om dia set ke dia ur
kia ur quá hình được mà
ku biak na ur na con tâm cái
hành gia kia kia ur chụp hình đi thêm cô hay là bạn hôm đó ta tè lại gành hiền lại khan hiền lại tút ro cái đi từ từ cô là bà chụp hình đi thêm tương tự ta tè quăng tí tè qua nó là vinh ta phi mà nè quăng ok là khăn cái ya đi sakrak sing buông là người vậy anh ôm cái sakrak sing buông cơ đi tao tao đi đi tao tao đi cái mà hành mà hôm tươi là trang ra từ tâm ít lại mà hành tăng dưa nè vui mà dứa tin dưa nè đi bay hà mi bay hà mi cái bằng ngàn mi hả bằng ngàn mi bằng ngàn mi tại vì mi sẽ bằng ngàn mi không kịp xa tại tăng ra đi tập đi qua này đi quỳnh tại đi xa tập đi qua đây đi tập qua
bên này có kho 649 mà gam mình quật đây này có kho
cắt ta hán mà sầm rành trà thì bị cắt ta hán rành trà thì bị đi á mi thì quay cái nam plan tập ấy tập plan tập ấy quay rồi lập lăng cơ bác sĩ hình thành là giờ lập lăng cơ là mặt cơ là cơ sĩ nó tông tông nó tông tông bằng mặt là cơ mặt cơ là gì ngoài tình cao thì là đẹp là xa xa quá hèn các bác sĩ thành tại chừng đi tập cái cơ hành vi hin từ tiền đặt này bữa ban hôm tiền đặt này là cái hình bữa to rồi chứ tiếp theo là bạch tông tông từ tiền quen baik kalau atau itu namanya top top meri top top nanti top top kalau itu nanti kapan quay bạch buông làng giờ là buông làng chị đi tập từng đi đang từ buông làng ở đây chụp ra nơi đang từ tập ra rồi này vài đang từ tập ra rồi untuk trung tâm du lịch tại Niagara Falls tại Canada đang quan gì xe khách sạn xung quanh tại Niagara Falls đi chỉ là tộc sông Sa Bu đây chỉ quay cái quan hướng ra tông tu lo mẹ wow Victoria ra tông tu tông bằng nè quay lăng tu tóc ra nè quay tông tu tông ra nè quay tu tông ra nè quay tu tông ra nè cướp hành nghề him tôm tươi tạt tè giờ ăn cái gì cướp băng tôm tạt tè
có sự cắt một quăng này dựa dụ in my life.
Really?
I see the big waterfall in the world, like Niagara Falls waterfall. That is beautiful
Which one is your
waterfall and very proud people come visit there.
Yes.
Yeah.
That is my birthday today. I'm very excited.
Yes, dinosaur. Really? Con nhà lời kia vật áo quay lót áo Canadian. Yeah, still on the button.
Wah, hen mặt nà đây kìa. Hen nhọc nà ở Canada. Lúc nhọc nà ở Canada vậy. So I make friend with you. I like Shana Jella here. Okay, look to me. Look over here. Over there. Toby, look over here. Camera, Toby. Camera, Toby here. Here, Toby. Come on, Toby. Here, Toby. Look at me, Toby. Come on. Look over there. There. I like Shana Jella. Come on, Toby. Look. I like Shana Jella. Shana, look. Clean. Have another. Shana, look. Clean. Have another. Come on. Snowball, chap, you guys have another friend. We have Toby over here. See Toby over here. Oh, Toby, kiss me. Come on, Toby. Toby, go over here. Okay. Toby, come here. We did not hurt you. Toby, come here. Toby, he come here. No, it not hurt you. Toby, come here. Toby, come here. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Trên garden hay là vườn mâm trên vườn Hoàng hậu Elizabeth. Phú Mơ vườn nhà trên vườn Hoàng hậu Elizabeth. Trên sài đi là hiện tại Queen Elizabeth Garden. Vườn Hoàng hậu Elizabeth.
You can call it Jackson Park.
Jackson Park. Jackson Park. Okay. Tâm thơ mà của đây. Không được mình Queen Elizabeth Garden, Jackson Park. Called Queen Elizabeth Garden.
Yeah, the Royal Canadian when the Canadians were still part of the British Empire. They're part of the British Empire. The Canadian forces had during the First War in Europe, the big war of 1914 and 1918.
How you know that, boy?
I'm a nerd. World War One. There was a big war. A lot of countries. Germany.
So beautiful
Russia,
park in here.
Serbia, Austria-Hungary, Italy, France, Germany, Netherlands, Poland, all these countries, Bulgaria, Turkey, and they all fight in Europe, and Britain, England too, and America fights too, and Canada, and the Canadians had sent forces during the 1914
You know everything.
to help the British British fight against the Germans in the German line. In the years, specifically 1917 and 1918, there was a British counter-offensive against the Germans to push them back furthermore. And the Canadians were like the leading front. And they were like, apparently they were one of the most skilled regiments and forces when they were attacking the Germans. Something scary about the Canadian forces. They were actually really evil. Too.
But you tell that, I think you should.
During the 1914 to 1918, Canada was still part of the British Empire. Well, kind of. They were still their own country. They were just like part of the Commonwealth. They were still really well allied with Britain, just like how they are today. Britain had essentially requested that the Canadians would send help to, because they were on the way to Europe. And basically what happened was there was a really big war in Europe during 1914 to 1918 because there was a lot of countries. It was like Russia, Germany, USA, England, France, Bulgaria, Turkey, Serbia, Austria, Hungary, and Italy. And for the Canadians, the British and the French were fighting against the Germans specifically along the French border. I think called like the Run or something like that. They had to push the Germans back. But something about the Germans was that they were really, really strong. They were very advanced military. They used gas attacks, they used airplanes, bombs, they had fast machine guns like that, right? And then so like Britain needed as many allies as possible. And so America and US sent them. But also the Germans were beating the French a lot too. But specifically, the reason why the Canadians need to help even more was because the Russian front, when they were fighting Germany and Austria-Hungary, they had lost. So now the Axis powers, the central powers on the right side of Europe, the left side, they didn't have to fight on both sides anymore. So now they can fully concentrate on the front against the British and the French and the Canadians. The thing about the Canadians was even with Russia dropping out of the war due to surrendering because they had too much pressure, because they also had a civil war too. They ended up fighting against Germany, and the thing is Canada has some of the most advanced forces for the most like brave forces for attacking the Germans. And the Germans were scared. The Germans were scared of the Canadians. The Canadians, okay, now Canada's nice and all, but those forces, that's this month, they committed a lot of war crimes. They did not take any German prisoners. Whenever a German tried to surrender, instead of taking the prisoner, they're like, nope, kill them instead. Sometimes they did this evil thing. It was kind of mean. No, not even kind. It was very mean. They would throw food at the German soldiers, because eventually the Germans were starting to lose against the British and against the Americans and against the Canadians. It was too much, you know. So they were starting to get hungry. Their soldiers weren't getting food anymore. So the Canadians started throwing them food, giving them food, and then the Germans were like, okay, the Canadians are so nice to us. And then one day they started throwing grenades at them instead of food. They put grenades in food cans and then they throw it, and the Germans thought, oh look, food, and then they blow up in front of the Germans and they kill them. It's just like, what the hell? So they trick them, they make them think the grenade is food, but it's actually a bomb. So they put bombs in food and give it to the Germans, and that's what they kill Germans a lot. And they take no prisoner. Every time a German tried to surrender, the Canadians would just kill them. It was very, very brutal. But the thing was, the Americans and British people had asked the Canadians, hey, you guys are being a kind of extra, essentially. Like, you can chill out. And the Canada was like, nope, we're going to keep killing them, essentially. So the Germans, very scared of the Canadian forces, very scared. Basically one of the best fighting forces during World War I. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Video airplane. Come on, Johnny. Johnny,
I think
come
those
on.
ones are Royal Spitfires. I know those.
Okay, go. Come on.
Okay.
I already got. Okay, boy.
Alright. Yeah, wait, you want to do another video?
Johnny, you wanna talk with this? airplane too?
Yeah. Wait. You
Okay.
want to do another video?
Yes. Okay. I do it.
Oh wait. What?
They ate the place like they put the airplane in the world bamboo. I don't know how they call the airplane. I think you know how to call that airplane. You know.
Okay.
Wait. Hold on. Is it recording right now?
Yeah, it's recording.
Oh, okay. So these airplanes are basically the Hurricane models. The Hurricane models were the Canadian versions of the.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So today we're at Jackson Park, and right, it has like a lot of memorial stuff towards World War I and World War II stuff. I noticed it. But okay, so specifically the planes behind me are actually these things called fighter planes. Fighter planes were used in the war during World War II and also during World War I, particularly for countering bomber planes, which are the planes that drop hundreds of tons of bombs upon cities. And they were used to either guard a bomber plane or destroy a bomber plane. Actually, some fighter planes even had the capability to drop bombs on enemy forces if they wanted to. It was like dive bombing. They would go really quick from the sky, dive and go like, and then drop a bomb like very quickly. And the advantage with that was like, sure, they had like a smaller payload, but they could do strafing runs and create quick shock attacks against infantry or tanks or whatever. Another thing was that they were fitted with heavy machine guns and rockets sometimes too. And what would happen was they would do strafing runs against enemy forces, and they could just like annihilate tanks or annihilate infantry. It was like a quick way in the rapid response reinforcements for all sides of the war. All sides of the war had its hands, but specifically the one behind me is the Hurricane Spitfire from the Royal Canadian Air Force. During the battle, so this actually spans a lot across World War II. In World War II, essentially, Nazi Germany had invaded Poland, and Poland had fallen, and that was like the first major country to fall, along with other countries. And then they finally decided, okay, we are going to take France, and Germany was able to actually collapse France, unfortunately, because the French were not expecting for the German attacks of Blitzkrieg with their advanced fighter jets like the Messerschmitts and the also like Stukas and other ones. I forgot what the other ones are called, but it doesn't matter. ME-109, something like that. I think that's what the name was. But essentially, they would have to the Germans had like all these planes, and the French couldn't handle it. And that was like the main advantage they had as to why France had fallen. Meanwhile, the British were still like making their own planes and stuff, and so were the Canadians along with the British. But specifically, what happened was, and these are vital. This was the vital. After this is very important place. This place. After the Battle of France had fallen, and the British had to evacuate because they were helping France try to stand their ground against Germany, but it didn't work. The British had to like retreat back to Britain, back to London and everything. And the Germans were like, okay, you have an idea. We're going to take England. But the Germans knew that the British had a powerful navy. And they're like, well, we can't just invade through the navy because, you know, Germany and Britain is across the sea. They have to cross the ocean. And there was no way the German navy was going to take on the British navy in their own turf. What was going to happen? So the Germans had a better idea in quotation marks. They would just repeatedly bomb Britain over and over again. And they had high concentration on London and stuff. But the British, they had these planes, Spitfires and Hurricanes. Specifically, the one you're looking at is the Hurricanes from the Canadian Royal Air Force. But the thing is, it's actually based off the Spitfire model. In fact, it's more like a variant of the Spitfire model of ending, but they have like multiple heavy machine guns, and some were fitted with rockets. It was experimental technology, so not most had rockets, some did. But essentially, very faster than the German MEs, and faster than, and even they were more maneuverable. And another thing, they had this advanced technology called radar, and radar essentially, it's basically like a GPS kind of, not even better than GPS. It tells the British early on before the Germans even cross the sea that they have plane movements coming, and the British and the Royal Canadian Air Force that was sent to England to help are able to like rapidly respond. They could launch these planes in less than minutes, and they could get to London or wherever they needed whenever there's German bomber planes over the skies in just like less than 10 minutes, very quickly, very quick. And these planes were genuinely better than the German ones, so much better. They were faster, they had more maneuverability, they had better firepower. The Germans didn't know the British had it like that though, because it was like modified. Not to say that the German planes are bad, they could still take on the British easy, but these ones were so good, and the fact that they had radar technology to track the Germans easy, it make the Germans always caught by surprise whenever they try to attack Britain. And it's actually, these are probably like genuinely the main success as to why Britain was able to stand still and strong standing even when Germany was sending so many bombs. It's so good they just defend Britain and all that. It can be two. It can be two. Most of it was one, but it's two if they had like a co-pilot thing or like a one, or it was fitted with bombs. They didn't need the two person ones when they were in Britain because of the fact that they didn't need a bombing. You know what I mean? Because you're not gonna bomb your own country, so they only needed to do counter defense. So they mostly did the one person, and they would shoot down all the German bombers. They would shoot down the German enemy planes. It would scan them, it would find out where they are exactly, and it would stop them. Granted, Germany could still bomb Britain, because you can't kill all the planes, but they could kill like help most of it. And after I think 5 or 6 months, Germany eventually gave up. They're like, we cannot beat the British. Essentially, their air force is just too good at everyone home. Because they didn't know what to do. Their planes were better. They had better tracking. They literally couldn't do anything. So they just gave up because it was a waste of so much money and so much air forces. It was basically sending your planes and the military to just die. That's all it was for the Battle of Britain for the German forces. They would still bomb London occasionally, but they could not do it at the scale that they were during 1940, summer after or the fall, when during the Battle of Britain. But yeah, that's all.
Good story.
Yeah.
Thank
boy.
you.
Very good. You made the pledge. You made the pledge. You made the pledge. I think Johnny live with you guys here and more fun. Yeah, and maybe you take care of him. You take care of him. Say hi, going. How's it done? This is mommy right here.
It's almost sunset. Almost sunset over here.
Right now, 7:42.
Yeah.
We still have got an hour to hang out at the riverfront.
Lúc quá đâu thành phố ít quá là lao thành phố bên Cần Thơ là
Hot dog place. It's really dead today. There's like nobody walking in downtown Windsor. It's cold still, that's why. That guy's looking at. He's looking at us. He's like, why should you hold your phone? I'm gonna go. Yeah. No one's thinking like that. Maybe. All the way down to riverfront. Woo, so sunny. Casino, it's casino right there.
Dạ đúng rồi.
We are close to the riverfront.
Oh, đi riverfront right? Dạ vậy. Vậy. Đây mấy hôm mà này.
No, just
That other side America.
yes. Ako, tay, kiki magkakiti ya, tari. Ya, kiki magkakiti ya. Here we go. Now this is loose goods right here. They have some pretty good wings over here. Space for people to take for a walk. And smoke. Bukan dia smoke gitu.
Dạ, anh thấy bật dạ.
Michigan no? Detroit, Michigan River, no, Detroit River. Oh, is she selling popsicles? She's selling ice cream. Some people book a boat tour. It's right here. Yeah, people do that too. When you book a boat tour, they give you.
Trên thành phố Detroit và đặc biệt Michigan, Detroit. Detroit. Detroit thành phố Bunjang, Michigan thứ ba này. Thành phố Detroit này. Bunjang beli dah beli Canada kita kuang dan kuang sensor. Hiện beli Canada beri hankal juhim ada mihim ya. Ada kuang na. Dari Detroit kan USA di.
Mexican discharge. Chúng nó là anh Mexican ngắn. Ayu. Apple mà yan, khăn này yan hàn đặc tại đã. Có phiếu của anh. Anh đi. Yeah, anh đi ya. Really?
Bukan dia tahu.
Tahu Apple mà ấy. Gì ya? Wow. Anh hạt mây hả? Anh hạt mây này. Arab bằng Arab của Lào hay mà quan ngăn họ này một cái tặng tạ lồng một cái tặng bữa mình được cầm vào đấy bữa mình tạ này chứ hả tặng tạ này chứ
Mình cứ ăn cho mẹ bữa xong rồi bữa là cái ăn quay cho
hắn nhiều cục tiền tại lai anh Phương thích là nhiều cục dạ hay with casino really
đi thành phố tiếp theo USA Padahari thành phố tiếp theo USA you see why anh Việt Nam hả anh sai bri mấy hả yeah I am over in Canada. I've been to Canada now. Here, we over here, and this is the big river between Canada and USA. This side is Detroit, USA, Detroit, Michigan. Yeah, and this side is Windsor, Canada. Yeah. This is first time I come to Canada, and this my niece, and my second time this time, yeah, my second time.
I miss you guys so much. I can't wait to go see you guys over there.
Yeah, in America, a lot of Bunong people live there in North Carolina. Yeah.
We're just us.
Yeah, and a lot of Bunong shirt over there too in North Carolina.
We're just us, the family.
And a lot of Bunong shirt.
You too. Hello guys. So we're at the side right now, and
Okay.
Jonah got his scooter. How much did you pay, Jonah? He doesn't know. He doesn't care. He doesn't care. He wasted money. He doesn't care. He's on vacation. Yes, he doesn't care. Please. You guys want to grab a scooter too? See? We got people fishing right there, and then we got people jogging, as you guys can see.
This is Jonah. He ride that thing on the beach, Canada. Yeah, in thành phố. Đi trên thành phố, thành phố beach ven sông border between USA and Canada. City in the border is so clean and beautiful. Yeah, very Canada flag.
hey you know how to drive that hey be careful hey don't do it, girl. You can't do it. You can't do it.
Me too.
No.
Without no. Jonah, how you drive that, huh? How you drive that? How you drive that, huh? No, I can't. Huh?
Do you want to?
No,
You know
don't
how
do it. Yeah. Hey, be careful.
It's kind of fast a little.
Be careful.
You know how? You sure you know how?
Hey,
So how it really on it?
It's already on. It's already on.
We should go all the way
You
down.
have to move it first. You have to move it first, and then you can stand. So you have to
are you
move it.
seriously? Are you seriously? Mà tình bữa mà hả? Mà tình bữa mà.
Tông hủ Chinese.
Hey, tông hồng paper. Be careful, man. You know how to do, Jonah?
You have to move it first.
You
gotta push it like that first, and then you press the gas.
Banh nhân còn của lại.
Hit now.
Yes.
Hit now.
Cứ Johnny. Cứ Johnny do it.
Johnny don't know. They don't public
Okay. Hành làm chỗ này việc sao phân này hiện phẳng đấy. Ai giờ hành là chỗ này hành là gì cái này. Funny, Johnny. Johnny, how you know how to do it? Con bánh nữa nè. Hey, how you not know it? You brother so fine, boy. How you brother them you?
Keep your legs straight, yeah, and then trust the guy.
Hey, how you brother take you? See? Like that, you see? Cái bờ ấy nó màu lọ đầy ở rồi. Cái cơm tôi mà lọ đầy ao tăng nó đâu. Lọ đầy chân nào mà chân này.
Đồ gì đi dạ, bọn anh em thì mà nó thích sơ phim.
You drive thôi.
No, I just want to pay. Oh, because I
Hey, be careful.
Where's Johnny go?
Chân đi tầng nào hả?
He's over there, all the way down. Deep
Take him.
scooter.
Take him. Say, look at the. Oh my. Emergency. Emergency. Help. Help. Help.
Chrysler.
Huh?
That's Chrysler.
What Chrysler mean?
It's a car brand company.
Oh, car brand. Huh? So,
Cắt
hey.
Chúng đập ra bằng không có xe bên pha nó cứ cắt the secret. You like to just the beer. When you get, when you get closer, you will feel the cold. Now you can feel it. I can feel it.
Yeah. Là hai ăn đông là hai sẽ cắt là hai sẽ cóp vậy đó. Thấy nhà đó rồi chẳng thấy. Nè.
Quay
I
cái
don't know.
Quay
I don't know.
No, that's supposed to be for him. You left him over there. Rồi bây giờ tao
All the way down. And Harvey Mỹ là Canada. Okay. Look at this. Northern. Wow. Mexican. Hey.
No.
You know the jack, right? Like your guy, like you play your guy and your guy.
Boy, you fight the guy, boy. Fight the guy. Oh my boy, look at Johnny. Yeah. Look at Johnny. Yeah. Come on, boy. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it, Johnny. You can do it, Johnny. You can do it, Johnny.
John Isaac all the way like this.
Oh, you make it, boy. You make it. You make it. You make it, boy. Mời Canada. Really? Mời hả?
No, more nhà bố đi.
Study, Johnny? Can you study about this? Hey.
Harvey thành phố Vincent thành phố Detroit lại cách nhập na định lại nhập na Đó, very strong, right?
Yeah.
Very strong, right?
By Canada building, right? Right, you? By Canada ba? By trong Harvey building Mỹ, by trong tiệm Mỹ rồi tàu. tao ri anak building primary rồi tại tròn tại là primary
lang ru berubah katakan ada tempi nar nyap hari wah nyap nar kira nyap nar berubah men hancur rubah kon rubah kon berai lang tao kerveh mẹ lang kerveh mẹ
I wish I knew how to ride the bike.
no sad next time you know it anh có là cũng nó ngọt một lọ pal ô tách lạc ra phải to đấy
This one's classic. How many miles did you do? My old one was 15, but I switched for Isaac. Sure?
You want to practice?
Let's squeeze that.
Look at your back.
I thought he brought his scooter too.
No, it's stopped.
Oh, it's not working?
Yeah, when we stop,
hey come down you go over there oh yeah you make it yeah you make it come on boy come on hey be careful okay turn back boy turn back yeah
it's a very long walk down here.
wow look at that wow so fast wow
It's a long walk.
so fast wow
If you want to try riding this slow,
Persa standar. Lepas itu kabar lah sungsawa. Ya, kita berang wah. Karena mau jual lain itu belah soal itu ada. Jual ala farsi jual. Farsi jual. Jadi, har destroy Mexican and Windsor, Ontario. Okay. Wah nhớ. Là cứ cụt đấy cứ hắn đặt tay đen rồi, hắn pal primi. Hắn chơi hả, hắn ao lên mall hả? Dút đấy kia đang ao lên mall.
Yeah, I'll let you see.
Dalam pada Canada. Andong har free. Rantau hen jo, chạy jo. Khai để sao cầm jo tàu thì gì? Quay mắt hả? Cứ khai. Và là cầm bật nó cầm bật là sao gì? Free mấy à? Mò đông sợ hoài, free mấy đó bảo.
Canada. Chiên ta năm tung Canada đã anh Mỹ hả? Nè an tung chuông ngân tiạc bằng tiạc quang ngân rin chít ngai tung là anh ri ngai tung là Mỹ ri Mỹ rin ngai hung ya dari ring oi curong cerita dia ya curong tak ana tang wai ta tia ka nhưng kal tat kate ring oi curong tu dia cerita đi trên thành phố Detroit, Michigan, USA. Đi thành phố Detroit, Michigan. Canada.
Lạc teh asa kan anak asa home kan kep anak đấy. Asa kan anak asa rajol đấy. Ai chịu khao tụi bạn. Tầm hợp năng ở tỉnh vậy. Yu quá hành nhập nà rồi yu chấp râu này. Chấp râu yu hay chứ. Quá hành nà rồi yu hay. Thấy nà hạt đi Canada hạt đi mấy tại học đi mấy building mấy rồi. Là cho nên là nhau là ta nó có cái tay gì đó cái vui wow chơi cho này còn tiền làm gì mà ta ta mặc rồi tàu một gần đi mấy Canada tàu đi Canada ôi bây giờ sao em cứ nói các bạn just sit down here wait for that okay just sit down here
Good boy.
Yeah, good boy.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, I do this side, boy. Let's hit the brake. Bye. Yeah, chấp nhận vừa này. Okay, chấp nhận vừa. Okay. Wow, vừa là con chị tìm vừa này. Wow, it's so good. Good boy. Wow, good boy. Look, wow, ngàn. Okay, you. Okay. You wanna take picture with your cousin? Okay, good picture, good story. Okay, yep, so good. Wait, okay, yeah, ooh, yeah, that's a good boy. Mommy get video for you. Say look, I sent to you. You want it?
The bridge behind.
Ooh, the bridge behind, the boat and the airplane too. Wow, the airplane too. Wow, look at that. Ooh, wow, yeah. Đông Canada, report Canada and United States. Right. Đưa ra buổi chiều này. Học với em này đằng ấy. Johnny. Okay, we start to go. We start to go back. Hang on. Don't cry. Don't cry. Jonah, say bye now.
Bye. I'll miss you guys. I'll miss you.
Jonah. Jonah, you wanna stay here? Kita tahu nak seperti don't say it. I don't know. Tông pre-made and tông Canada đó à?
Ambassador Green.
Yes.
Ambassador Green.
Ambassador bread. Right here. Nahar pre-made and pre-Canada. Arate. Ketang lang nahar pre-Canada. Alang tông là han pre-made. Wow, so good, beautiful. Nam han sarchi. Tak kalau mahega. Tiap har pre-Canada dah pre-made. Pre-made sih
We're in the US now.
We gone to the US, our country. Gone to our country.
We can go back to Miles. No more kilometers.
Welcome to United States and America.
Oh, that thing was closed.
Bit like thôi. We follow the one, right?
Oh, wait, no, that
The one. I think that one open.
No, hatalan yun.
And no me country vừa mi vừa tầm tụt vài họ thì khai tầm đưa cái lên độc biển họ sợ
Siap menau hasan tau ya là ngồi bưng mì.
ăn tròn hai phụ thêm bên này tài xây phụ này nam ngân phụ vừa mi là tươi biết tiếc tròn hai vai tròn ngay đó tak han Canada khi đấy sita Canada phụ rồi biết là
Tại sao
Pak ako ni pupong kwang arle ku pakai anh phone tên là đây anh phone. Bu ra tên được tiền. Akap YouTuber. YouTuber. Chọn cái quang cũng làm tức. Cứ ở bơi YouTuber bên kia YouTube bên kia phim hình. Ngay cái bên đây là cô thì lát để thật quang. Wahan good flatland 3 man. So popular. Wah, mir baleng buri ono. Wow. Leng mir baneh tu hari deh. Leng hari top. Wahan mir ba Wahan song tong song ngari chiao rồi. Đã tùy cho mà vào thức xong anh mì rồi nè tôi video hay ơi chút sợi nhìn oai lần plat từ từ rồi nè bữa mì xiên bữa chút oai tụi mày đi bữa mì xiên bữa chút oai nữa nè sẽ tiệt bữa mì rồi oai ngén.
For about 28 miles, continue straight.
Lần đi họ hẹo nè miền nè bờ kìa tia không ai bự rồi nào thứ bịt đê vậy họ bự bầu bịt đê vậy ai bự riết bịt đê họ bự bầu mấy hàng bả lợp đèn sờ YouTube đây nè mẹ quên phim học việc quay Bunjang Virginia có heo thì ai cần gì Virginia quay ngất mà sợ Bunjang còn to càng cả địa quay ngất nữa
Virginia big truck of the big truck mà bật liệt cái hả wow so beautiful. Canada kalau mahir dan pari atas Virginia so beautiful mà thay cắt chân bật liệt cái giờ là một cái thay cắt chân của mình mà này giờ so tròn quen thì nó wowชอบเพลงแกว่ก็นี่ว่าแต่ควายชุดนี้ดิชัดเลยไก่ขันน้ำมันว่าไม่เย็นอะไรน้ำมันว่า so beautiful ติดมังใช่ไหมติดปลามองไปตัดปักมองจาก Canada โดยชอบวังชอบจังแหวดัง 6:44 right now. Maybe we get home actually. Thank God for saving us, right, boy?
Usually we take no breaks. There's not really gonna be much traffic.
God all day with us. All day, anytime, any
Look
day.
at the truck.
This is 6:44. This shouldn't be too
Anytime, any day, every day. God all day with us.
You must visit him. Wow. How you
Dia tak mau ada mungkin anak reh riap ada labut ada esah.
Like the North Carolina how we North Carolina in police segment get us